Welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and today we are going to give you 6 important money lessons on the eve of Diwali which will help you manage your finances better. And the first among them is to dispel the darkness of ignorance. During Diwali, by simply lighting a lamp, we eliminate the darkness surrounding us. Similarly, we should dispel our ignorance related to our finances by knowing our cash flow, planning, and starting to invest early in proper investments. We can get better returns and make use of the power of compounding. In some organizations, moment somebody speaks of finances, people say that you are a conjuice person, and they discourage him from understanding and talking about finance aspects. This is one important aspect where organizations should encourage their employees to look into their finances and help them prosper in life. Speaking about the finances is not being conjuice. This fact must be understood by one and all. Second is clean up your investment portfolio. Before Diwali, people clean their homes and donate things that are no longer required. Similarly, you must apply this cleaning approach to your investments. Check your portfolio holdings thoroughly to ensure that it remains in line with your financial goals and risk appetite. Also, exit from schemes that are not in sync with the current investment environment and market cycle. Sleeping over the investments may not yield good results. Saying that I don't have enough time for the investments will not give fruitful results to you. So you have to take out some time and renew your financial goals, because these keep changing as you prosper and as you age, because your requirements and children may be growing, and thus your needs and financial goals also keep shifting. So if required, do go and take the help of a certified financial planner, and they can help you finance understanding in a better way and help you achieve your financial goals. Here at IndianShareTips.com, we have a team of certified financial planners who can help you achieve your financial goals in a safe and a secured manner. Thirdly, play safe via risk management. While celebrating, we take all steps to avoid any hazards. Similarly, before investing in instruments or schemes that you do not fully understand, it's better to consult a financial advisor. There is no harm to paying them. Financial advisor is your finance doctor, as you pay to a doctor for the treatment. Similarly, financial advisor is treating your finances in a proper way. It's not us that you have to join with us, that you have to go to IndianShareTips.com. From our side, you can go to any SEBI registered investment advisor / financial advisor and take advice only for SEBI registered investment advisory services only, because at least they know what they are talking about. Going to other normal advisors is like going to a Jhola Chhap doctor. So always choose a specialist when compared to a Jhola Chhap doctor who appear on WhatsApp or on other apps. As blindly investing in lucrative schemes without understanding associated risks may turn out to be a financial disaster. So you may save some money by not paying to the financial advisor, but as an end result, you may find that you will be paying more money to the market in form of the losses. Play safe via risk management. Fourth point is that you have to diversify your portfolio. Diwali adds a variety to your celebration with lights, clothes, and sweets. Similarly, a balanced portfolio with proper diversification helps you enjoy benefits offered by various asset classes and minimizes risk. You have already heard the cliche, never put your all the eggs in one basket, and this is important. Next is goal-based investments. On Diwali, gifts are bought for family members and friends as per their age and personal preferences. You won't give a Barbie to an 18-year-old girl, will you? Similarly, set distinct goals for every stage of your life, such as children's education, retirement, home travel, and invest accordingly. Also, since everyone's goals and financial position is different and therefore should be their investment. Remember that you must also enjoy in your life, so you must have a distinct goal for travel also, and a separate finances can be set apart for your travel goals. This is where your financial advisor in the form of certified financial planner where can help you achieve your financial goals. And lastly, be prepared for an emergency. Ensure availability of first aid and fire extinguishers. Help avoid any harm that may be caused during Diwali celebrations. Similarly, investments having adequate insurance cover and 3 to 6 months of emergency fund in easily accessible liquid assets will help you deal with uncertainty of life. Here we wish you on the eve of Diwali, may it bring all kind of happiness in your life. Signing off from IndianShareTips.com YouTube channel, and if you like our video, please remember to subscribe to it, give it a thumbs up, leave your comment, spread the word, and do remember that we provide the best Bank Nifty option tips in Indian stock market. You can start in Bank Nifty option with a small capital of 10,000 rupees. And we will leave this description link in the description box. Thank you.